for a Rolex. I'm finna fuck your bitch with a condom and have safe sex. I'm finna use somebody's credit card and it's an Amex. I'm finna hit the road with some pills and a latex.
I'm on Telegram selling dumps with the pins. All my work 100, I ain't the type of nigga to pretend. Yo nigga at the gas station selling 3 for 10. I'm in the new CG Gucci, only shop up in 4.
So basically, I didn't buy real guns because I don't need real guns. I'm not killing anybody. I'm an MP, not a murderer. And I just need these guns to pull off a quick little GTA mission, but in real life.
Now don't get too crazy with that, you hear?
Some gotta give. I still don't have my stimulus check. So we gonna rob 7-Eleven. We gonna get the job done. If Trump won't give me my money, 7-Eleven will. Okay. Either by will or by force. We're gonna make it happen some way. Yeah, and I told you guys, like, I'm gonna start small with convenience stores.
Know what to stop all the killing and robbing in this place? Every one of the sheep out there owning a piece.
Y'all can hit me up because it's inquiries only for people that want to buy stuff that I boosted. And you can DM me, you know, send requests, what store you want me to hit, besides you.
You've racked up some more ammunition rewards points.
Nah, this one's better. I got you. That's all. Like, we're gonna get this shit done. Like, y'all got anybody birthday coming up? You need a birthday gift? I can steal couches. I got a truck. Anything y'all need. Y'all wanna come with me? I got hella guns on deck. Just throw you one. Get you a Chanel ski mask from Hideout, and then we good. We can go. Like,
you need a receipt for taxes?
And I'm pretty small, so I'm taking applications for a shooter. If you're anything like TJX, you listen to Cash or Quan or anything like that, DM me your resume. You need to be able to fire this, empty the clip, and not get knocked off your.
I hate when niggas talk shit on a fake page. I'm finna hit Western Union with a fake name. Too many lames, got a pair, gave up on barman. The check ain't even popped through BOA, I'm about to file a claim. Got struck shooting dice for 20K, I'm about to rob the game. This nigga just hit me for a method, I'm about to scam the game. Just ran into a op downtown shooting up the parade. My mans just got 10 years for shooting up the arcade. I just beat the fuck out of a fan trying to get on the stage. I just slapped the fuck out of my man for fucking a bitch with AIDS. I just scammed a weird ass nigga for a video game. And I scammed a Fortnite player through the video game. Just beat a nigga head with a hammer for stealing my name. I just fucked a bitch for an hour and she tatted my name. Yesterday I shot a nigga car for swerving in my lane. I think it's a weird white hacker trying to hack my page.
I can talk to hands all day, just push a couple buttons. Turn my VPN on so I can talk to Russians. He just wrote some shit so loud, thought he was chopping onions. My bitch want a ring so bad I call her Boogie Cousins. Buy my mama anything cause she don't want for nothing. Y'all niggas capping in y'all raps, yeah, I can tell y'all bluffing. Y'all niggas paper dry. All y'all rappers signing deals, y'all getting paid to lie. Jug the nigga out in China, bitch, my skills global. My bitch bad and she bougie, she the type to hold you. My dog a hot head, look wrong and he the type to blow you. Put a bag up on your head and he don't even know you. I rock designer shit. I'm talking code so the feds, they can't decipher it. I count the pros while she blow me, that's my type of bitch. I hit the set and drop the bands, yeah, that's my type of fit. A jug blowing up my phone, he said his dad a cop. It wasn't shit that he could do once I picked up the guap. I think the feds all at my door soon as I hear a knock. Been having
back to the homeless penthouse, guys. I can't see shit, so I'm gonna be looking crazy. But I got some unboxing on some Glocks for you guys to check out. Yeah, I didn't really need real guns. Trying to knock over a few 7-Elevens first, and then I'll work my way up. You know, hit Chase Bank next, then like maybe a little Fargo, a Hermes store. I don't know. Give my friend Tisha some Dior. Just gonna hit up a couple stores. I didn't need real guns. I just needed guns that look like guns, cause like I'm not gonna be shooting nobody. I'm just gonna be stealing shit. So yeah, we got the little Glock with the extendo. I'm not a murderer, so I don't need real bullets. I just want the goods. Today here, I'm gonna be unglocking. I'm gonna be unglocking. I'm gonna be unglocking this Glock. Let me stop. I'm gonna be unboxing.
Scammed a white nigga named John F. Kennedy.
And just show y'all what it came in.
Talking crazy.
Show you guys two gifts. Yo, I really can't even. I don't know why I thought I was gonna rip this box open, but yeah, fuck no.
Come on.
I'm not gonna get this box open. Damn, I can't even see.
Come on.
I'm gonna have to get up and look some scissors. Y'all, hold on. I'm gonna be right back and we're gonna get into this.
Scammed the old lady. I ain't had no sympathy.
I don't even know at this point. The block unboxing.
Now don't get too
Ain't that the right
crazy
word?
with that, you hear?
Come on. Now I'm finna go and do a show in Mississippi. Caught one of my ops. He was walking out a porta potty.
Okay, so I'm gonna go get some skizzers, but we ain't get no skizzers. We gotta
All I do is smoke and drink lean. I need another hobby.
They was like a porta potty.
You've racked up some more ammunition rewards points.
You didn't see my ass jump.
Come on.
Let's get into the bathroom.
Please stop saying that you cut. You ain't shot nobody.
It's not cutting nothing. Whole time this shit was alright. Okay, I don't even need a knife.
You need a
Come on.
receipt for taxes?
I just fucked this little nigga bitch and he cried about it.
Yo, I just suck at unboxing shit.
My bitch asked me did I cheat and I lied about it.
Bro, girl, just give me my
Somebody said I love you. Bitch asked me did I cheat and I lied about it. Hey, this that typical Detroit nigga dance, that little
Yeah.
Fucking couple.
pushing the
air.
ground.
Yeah.
Hey, I got on black forces in the stew. That's why I'm making all this heat.
Uh-oh.
Come on.
I can tell we are gonna get along fast.
Let me hear it from the top.
right in this package and this ski mask at the same time.
We got love, bro. And we got big, bro.
I got all liquored up and hit my wife's car with one of those.
That knife just went in my leg.
It went in your leg.
Like, it's not. It went through my skin, I think. I don't know. That shit was so, like, such a sudden movement.
Come.
Well, if
Come
I'm
on.
bleeding, I'm gonna find out
A
soon.
lot
'Cause
about
my
it.
jeans gonna be red. But, yeah.
You
Come
watch
on.
Republican Space Rangers? I love that show.
Yo, bitch asked me.
Yo,
Come on.
mask again in my eye.
Yo, bitch asked me, can I fuck? And I drowned up
I
in
don't
it.
think I'm gonna be robbing shit. I can't even get this box open. Let alone a safe. Okay. We got our Glock out.
Come on.
It seems like there's instructions in here, but I don't even need those. Alright, let's see what we
Found a vacant house. Now I'm selling weed out of it.
There's a strawberry, yeah. Okay.
Why you hit the road and you ain't get no cheese up out of it? This bitch ain't wanna fuck right now. I think she bleeding or something. That damn period. This bitch ain't wanna fuck right now. I think she bleeding or something, like, cause she wasn't trying to fuck me right now. Shot a nigga in his face. Come on. Shot a little nigga in his face. I think he dead or something.
Citizens report
Come on.
property in West Hollywood.
Cut into your bitch and said, can I get some head or something?
You trying to get me shut down? Screw.
Come on. Come on.
suspect last seen in
Come on.
West Hollywood.
The bitch sucked me up. Now I think she wants some money or something.